Hello guys, I'm Akshaya from Data Science. Today I am going to tell about curve fitting and principle of least squares. In this session, we are going to learn about what is curve fitting, what is principle of least squares, and who discovered principle of least squares and their uses. Before going to the topic, as we all know that what is curve? Curve provides between two straight lines. Further change the direction. Further that, let's move forward from this topic. Curve fitting. For this, we are consider a bivariate distribution or bivariate data. For example, x1, y1, x2, y2, up to so on xn, yn or n pairs of observation regarding some particular two characteristics or two population characteristics, which are the values we obtain and for which we have considered some bivariate data. Curve fitting is nothing but obtaining the functional mathematical relationship between two random variables. Here, two variables are x and y, where x is independent and y is dependent. Here, y depends on x. Then we obtain functional mathematical relationship, that is y is equals to f of x. Now we got the definition right. That is the finding out the functional mathematical relationship between dependent variable and independent variables is known as curve fitting. The obtained function may be linear, polynomial, exponential, logarithmic, etc. It is very much useful in regression, correlation, and also estimating other variables when we know the one variables. This is all about curve fitting. Next, we are know about principle of least squares. Principle of least squares is for this also we are consider bivariate distribution. In the pair of observation, the value are given by y. Using functional relationship, we obtain f of x. Values are called estimated values of y. Now the problem is to minimize the deviation between actual value and estimated value. Now principle of least squares means minimize the error components. Error component is sum of squares of the residue. Here what is residue? Residue is difference between actual value minus estimated value. Then that is y minus f of x. Here this error is denoted by e is equals to summation I is equals to 1 to n yi minus f of xi whole square. E should be minimized to obtain the best fit for the given data. The method of least square is a widely used method for fitting curve for given data. It is most popular method used to determine the position of the trend line of a given series. The trend line is technically called the best fit. This concept, principle of least square, is discovered by Legendrus. By using the principle of least squares, we fit the following curves like straight line, second degree parabola, kth degree parabola, exponential curve, and power curve. Thank you all.